Hello, everyone. My name is Lori Bradner with the Florida Aviation Network, and we are here broadcasting live. That's all right. We're broadcasting live and in the clear at the 49th Annual Sun and Fun. And I have to tell you, we are on the fun side of Sun and Fun. We've got the sun over there, but I'm on the fun side because we would be remiss if we did not come out to Paradise City. And you can see right now, I'm in front of one of the coolest, bestest displays ever. Revo, thank you. We have to highlight them because it's gorgeous. But looking around, guys, I have to tell you, Mr. Friedel, I'm going to holler at somebody. I've just caught somebody in the corner of my eye. Can I sneak you in for just a minute? Oh my gosh, it's so good to see you. Oh, I got to give you a hug.
Nope.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. I know you're super busy, and I'm so sorry to grab you out of the field because I know we've got flights going on. Gary Friedel is actually the chairman. He runs this place. Gary, tell us a little bit. I know you've got like 3 minutes. Tell us a little bit about what's going on. What are we seeing?
Well, right now in the morning we have different time slots for different types of aircraft because of their speeds and so on and so forth. Right now we have powered paragliders and powered parachutes, and they'll be coming down in a little bit, and we'll be switching to fixed wing operations. And throughout the day we do different things up to the air show. We do not run during the air show over here where this runway closes. And then after the air show, the evening session, we do the same thing again where we have different time slots for different aircraft. And then 2-3 times during the week, this week, we had something brand new, which was our Sunset Aerial Circus, where we had STOL demonstration.
We saw them.
Yes, that's the short takeoff and landing.
Yes.
And aircraft that can take off in less than 5 feet, which is really a crowd pleaser. And we had a bunch of stuff, a bunch of different acts, and we had this is the first time we've ever actually had an air show at Paradise City besides the air show on the main runway. So it was really cool.
Gary, it just keeps getting better and better. And how many years have you done this, Gary? I have to ask.
23rd year.
Wow, that is awesome. And let me ask you, so tell us a little bit. I know I'm seeing a lot of new displays and new people. Is there anything that you can tell us and tell our viewers, anything that, if they come out, they definitely don't want to miss seeing when they come out to Paradise City?
Absolutely. Just coming out to Paradise City and spending some time and going through all the rows and looking at our vendors, they'll find amazing things that they've probably never seen fly before, stuff like that.
Awesome.
These Delta Wing trikes that are out here, they've been flying here for a long time, and they fly by weight shift.
Oh.
So this right here,
awesome.
And they fly by weight shift. And then we have fixed wing aircraft, we have ultralights, powered paragliders, powered parachutes, gyrocopters.
Yeah.
Miniature helicopters. We had a demonstration yesterday with a miniature helicopter called Mosquito, and he demonstrated.
That's a little bit funny, you know that.
Yeah,
it's a little bit funny.
Well, it's that
You're
small.
here all week. Yeah, okay. I'm just
we had him flying and demonstrating, what they do in emergencies, and it's so easy and nothing that it's actually safe to do. And so during our special demonstration time, they got to do and demonstrate that. And it's been a very, very exciting week. We've had great weather.
Yes.
Lots of wind, but it's been going right down the runway until yesterday. So we're all blessed with that.
So the wind, let me ask you, just on a safety for a safety issue, and then I know you've got to head out because I know you've got things to do. But we were actually out at the balloon launch, and I know that the winds aloft were way too high, so they were only able to inflate. I found that out. They inflate. You don't blow up balloons. You inflate. We don't blow up anything in aviation. We inflate. Do the winds, those winds aloft, are they an issue here? But and what are the parameters? Does each lightweight aircraft have its own parameters, or how do you talk to me a little bit about it?
They have trained pilots that have to make good decisions on whether to fly. However, we have the ultimate decision on whether we're going to open the field or not, and which direction it's going to be, and stuff like that. And believe it or not, even though it's a semi-close proximity with this runway to the main runway on the other side, the winds could actually be here very different. So we have to make decisions. Sometimes we have to go in the opposite direction as the main runway. Instead of, but the aircraft, each individual aircraft has limitations as far as flying about do it. But for the most part at Paradise City, our saying is, not that we actually act on it, but our saying around here is, don't tell the airport.
Okay. That is awesome. Well, Gary, you know what? I think it was you that told me that there's sun and fun, and the sun's on the other side of the airport. The fun is at Paradise City.
You're gonna get me in trouble.
I am.
For
saying that? Okay, but see, you didn't. I did. But I want you to know, I want to encourage all of our viewers and everyone here, if you have not come out to Paradise City, this is where it's at. It is absolutely, there is so much going on. You heard the aircraft in the background. There's so many vendors. These are just amazing, amazing aircraft. This is really where aviation starts. This is it.
It is, you know, we go from ultralight all the way up to the, well, if you remember the Wright Flyer with Orville River, that was just a flat ultralight.
Really?
That's all it was.
There you go. So this is right here, Paradise City. It's where, well, not Orville, the Wright brothers not here, but this is where aviation starts. So we're going to encourage you. Gary, thank you for joining us. Thank you for letting me interview you and grab you out of the field. I'm so sorry that I did that, but thank you.
No worries.
And we just appreciate you. Thank you, love. All right. So my name is Lori Bradner. I'm with the Florida Aviation Network, encouraging all of you to come see us here at Paradise City, where I'm telling you what, the magic of flight is happening in the background. So we're going to make our way to the flight line and see if we can't get some footage and get just some awesome pictures as they get ready to transition to the fixed wing. Do not miss, we've got a glorious day. It's the 49th annual Sun and Fun here at Lakeland Linder Airport, and we look forward to seeing you here. And I'm Lori Bradner with the Florida Aviation Network.